Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well in your unit tests. Students, in the previous class I explained you question number 3 and 4 of exercise 9a, but I did not give you the video. For that I sent this work in the WhatsApp group, class WhatsApp group. But today I am giving you video. Today I will explain you question number 5 of exercise 9a. Let us start. Question number 5 is find the amount payable for the following. Students, in this question I will explain you 3 parts A, B and D. Remaining 3 parts C, E and F you will do. Okay, let us start. See here. In question number 5a, principal is given 76,000. Time is 1:3 upon 4 years. That is 4 1 ja 4 plus 3 upon 4 1 ja 4 plus 3 7 upon 4 years, and rate of interest is 7.5% per annum. So to find the amount, first we will find simple interest, and as you know, formula for simple interest is equal PRT upon 100. So here P is 76,000 into R is 7.5% per annum, and time is 7 upon 4 years into upon 100. P is 76,000, R is 7.5%, time is 7 upon 4 into 100. Here first we will remove this decimal from here and add 1 0 here. Now cancel 0 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. Now 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 3 remainder here, it is 36, 4 9 ja 36. Now 19 into 75 into 7. When we multiply it, I have done multiplication here, then we get 9,975. This is the simple interest. Now amount is equal principal plus simple interest. So principal here is 76,000 plus simple interest 9,975. When we add these two numbers, we get 85,975 rupees. Clear? To come to question number, it's B part. In B part, principal is given 65,000. Time is 4:2 upon 5 years. That is 5 4 ja 20, 20 plus 2, 22 upon 5 years. Then rate of interest is 8.25% per annum. Again, we have to find amount. So first we will find simple interest is equal PRT upon 100. Principal here 65,000. Rate is 8.25% into time is 22 upon 5 years into this 100. Again here first we will remove this decimal. Here I have removed this decimal. After decimal there are 2 digits, so we will add 2 0 here. First 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. Now 10 remain here. 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, 1 remainder 15, 5 3 ja 15. Now this 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5 here, 3 remainder 32, 5 6 ja 30, 2 remainder 25, 5 5 ja 25. So it is 13 into 165 into 11. When we multiply these three numbers, we get 23,595 as simple interest. Now amount is equal principal plus simple interest. Principal here in this question 65,000. Simple interest is 23,595. So amount is 88,595. Come to its D part. In D part, principal is given 5,000 rupees. Time is 219 days. Here we will convert these days into years by dividing 365 days, because 1 year is equal 365 days. So 219 upon 365 years. Rate is given 9% per annum. Again, first we will find simple interest. PRT upon 100. Principal is 5,000. R is 9%. And time is 219 upon 365 years into this 100. 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. Now, first we will simplify this 219 and 365 by 73. If you remember, students, I told you earlier also, when time is given in days and when we convert it into years, then this number is only divisible by 73. Again today I am telling you, then 73 3 ja. See 73 3 ja. 3 3 ja 9, 3 7 ja 21, it is 219, and 73 5 ja 365. Then 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 0. Then 10 multiply 9 into 3, 10 multiply 9 into 3, it is 279, 3 ja 27, 27 10 ja 270. This is simple interest. Amount is equal principal plus simple interest. When we add this 5,000 and 270, we get 5,270. This is the total amount. So students, now your exercise 9A is completed. Remaining 3 parts, as I told you, 5C, 5E and 5F. These 3 parts you will do self. And students, I know very well most of you, not very few, most of you have not completed previous class work, that is question number 3 and 4 in your notebook. I know it very well. So students, now you have 2 days, not 2, 3, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So please complete these 3 questions in your notebook, because in the next class I will start new topic, that is compound interest. See here, and this is totally new topic for you. So if you do not complete your work, your previous work, then again it will be difficult for you to complete all the pending work. So please complete your question number 3, 4, 5 in your notebooks. I hope you will do. Okay, thank you students. Today this is very little work. Thank you.